You've been grinding. You've been putting all those hours, creating track after track. You sent it to those labels and they didn't answer you. Maybe you also played some gigs around the town. But at the end, everything is feeling a little bit stuck. You're doing everything you know how to. And in reality, nothing is really moving forward. But let me tell you one thing, it's not because you're not talented or you don't sound good. You are just missing a system. And I know the grind because I have been there. My name is Iman Deeper, and I didn't start in Berlin's electronic music scene like many. I started in Tehran, where music making and playing is completely illegal. But I didn't let that stop me. I moved to Rome, thinking that being in such a city in Europe would make things easier. It didn't. Then I moved to Berlin, where I thought my career would take off, but it didn't. At least not right away. In the beginning, I released music under 3 different collaborations, just hustling to get tracks heard. In 2016, finally, I launched my first record label. We were starting hitting charts, playing gigs, a lot of nice collaboration, playing all over the Europe with our live set, and I felt like things were coming together. But then, COVID hit. The label had to close. Also the collaboration. I really felt everything was that I built, it was crumbling in my head. But I knew I wasn't done because I had one thing that I kept, and this thing kept bringing me forward, my system. And a plan that I'm going to finally show you. And now, with over 50 releases across 15 different record labels, beside our label, which I started in 2021, Did Music Berlin, we also launched a community on Skool.com. The intention behind the community is helping people like you, people who are passionate about house music and techno, but they need that extra push. And I'm offering all of this completely for free. Yes, you heard it right. It's free for lifetime. What if there was a way to take your tracks and all your music that you make to the next level? What if we can help you learn how to produce tracks that get released on any label that you wish and make you a name in the house music and techno scene without waiting for years to try it on your own and figure it out? Can top on the charts of Beatport and get a lot of listeners. That's exactly what I have created inside the Did Music free community. It's a system where you can learn by leveling up, engaging and growing, and as you level up, you unlock real rewards, things that can push your career forward. And here is the best part. As you progress through the community, you're also getting closer and closer to joining our premium group, where the real money making and opportunities begin. So here is how it works. As you participate, learn and grow, you will start leveling up in our community. And every time you hit a new level, you unlock new opportunities. Level 1, you become an initiate. That's your entry into the game. 80% of our members hit this level just by getting started. By level 2, you unlock access to all our Zoom calls on Wednesdays, plus all the recordings from the previous calls, which is available to you, and it's a lot of value to learn from. Remember, this happens every week on Wednesday. Only 6% of the members reach this level. When you hit level 3, you unlock secrets to remixing. All I have learned remixing for others with a course which is called Approaching a Remix. This is where you learn how to take someone's track and flip it into someone uniquely for you. And as a remix, you start a serious collaboration and how to do it officially. Starting to ask for a collaboration for some of the artists you always admired and wanted to work with, but now you can get to finish that and officially release it. At level 4, you get something even more personal. You get a free onboarding and career review call by myself and my team, and we get to analyze your music career and see where you're coming from and where you want to go. The map out from your music career will be created, and here will be the level that you're already qualified, and I can invite you to the premium community. Some people end up going to the premium community even before that. At level 5, you unlock exclusive production techniques, not only music, also about your branding, media, press, and your appearance. Now you're a brand. This is how we are going to help you to become a complete music entrepreneur on your own. And by level 6, you already are in the top 1% in this community, at least by now. So now you're really advanced in making tracks and many other corners of your music career. Then there is level 7. You're sent to a secret mission designed to push your career and your skills on the edge. I'm not going to talk about this so much right now here, but you will also win a one-on-one call, another review on your career with myself and my team, so you will get everything again to the next step. At level 8, you get the opportunity to release your music with one of our original artists, our founding members, giving you real-world exposure and a chance to work with some of the highest level in the game. And level 9, this is the big one. You're coming to Berlin. Yes, that's right. You will win a chance to play an all-night long gig with myself in the heart of techno scene. This is your moment to shine on a stage, and we will take care of your accommodation, your flight, and you're going to Berlin, baby. Now you might be wondering if this system really works. And the answer is yes. Let me tell you about the story of some of the members who already leveled up through this community. Homa, living in Tehran, where access to music industry is very, very tough. He made it to the number 5 of Beatport Top 100 chart of indie dance. And he also played in our showcase in Istanbul, alongside Dennis Horvath, some Afterlife artists, and a very, very good club. And also, last month alone, he made over $500 in composition through the opportunities which we supply in our community. Ricky John, also known as Lack of Affect, who has already been producing and releasing tracks on global labels, is now developing a live set that's going to completely change the game for his career. Very similar to that, we have Kiantek, who is taking things to the next level with combining analog and digital technology in his new live performance, and a lot of hits that he made. And he's been releasing also on Deed Music for a long time, and he's been also with his EP on number 12 on Beatport chart last month. Then there is also Marwan El Maliji from Cairo, who recently hit number 11 on Beatport on melodic house and techno charts, including a remix by myself. He is now booking shows all around Middle East and North Africa, and as well as hitting Europe very soon, and this is the foundation of his plan. We also have Luis, who used to be focused completely and solely on DJing, and now he is starting to produce in Portugal. He also has his own Skool community. Luis is putting his tracks set to be released next year. So our system works. Whether you're just at the beginning or you're established or really deep in this game, all these people are also people like you, and they have unlocked some success by playing the game with us and by applying the system that we supply here. So what do you actually get when you are inside the free community? You get access to our weekly feedback calls, where you can get personalized feedback on your tracks and your music production from myself and the team of experts on DJing and production. Really nice courses covering everything from the basic to the advanced techniques. You'll also get access to expert question and answers, daily tips in the chats and in the community itself. We also have opportunities for you to win sample packs, frames, and production tools that takes your game and helps you level up. On top of that, you will get bonus videos from our premium group. These are really exclusive Monday mindset videos to kick off the week really well, and a chance to win calls with music industry leaders. Myself, some of my team, all together over 2,900 in value for free. And as you level up, you will get closer to join our community, which is premium community, where the real money making starts. Yes, you heard it right. This is all for free, but you are being qualified to go even to something more exciting. So here is the big question. Are you ready to take your music career to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or you've been in this game for a while, Deed Music Free Community is here to help you out, so you're not alone anymore. And we will help you reach your goals, reach your next level in your music game. And it's all going to be free for lifetime. Click the button below and join the Deed Music Free Community. Now you will unlock the tools and the knowledge and the connections you need to start moving your career forward. You have got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Are you ready?